What's up, y'all? This is Value Detail. In this video, I'm gonna be cleaning out my detail van because it looks like crap. So let's get to it because this thing is a disgrace. First thing first, I'm gonna mount this air compressor back where it was because the last time I had it mounted there, I used really short screws so it came out of the wood. So we're gonna use some longer screws this time around and make sure that doesn't happen again. Well, I'm here, go ahead and make sure that's hooked up so I ain't gotta worry about it. Alright, so I got this speed rack here and I'm gonna mount it to the door over here. I'm gonna have to mount it in the plastic, so I had to also drill a hole in the metal just to make it more sturdier, you know, because it's gonna have a lot of weight to it. It's a smart thing to do. And make sure the door's shut and opens. We good to go there. Alright. Okay, so I got this other 16-ounce bottle rack. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it over here on the side there, so I can put my 16-ounce bottles on there. There we go. It's nice and level, good. You can also put spray cans in there. They fit in there perfectly. There we go. Look, it's all leveled out, good, ready to go. All right, let's see. Next on the list, we got a new addition. New addition to the detailing van. We got a 40-foot, 12-gauge extension cord reel. You know, this is really important. A lot of people don't know about wiring, and it's really important to get a 12-gauge extension cord because a 16 or 14 gauge is just not gonna cut it. I also got the 10-foot extension cord that's gonna be running to the generator. I mean, just look at the difference in the wiring. The wiring is very important. If your equipment is getting the proper amount of power, you can run into problems. And we got the extension cord reel here. Right there, it works perfectly. We're gonna pull it out, make sure it retracts, and it works the way it's supposed to work. And there you go, retract right back. I gotta adjust the ball though at the end, so I ain't got all this wiring hanging there. All right, let's clean the back of this van. It gets so dirty, partially from the vacuum hose. But anyways, looking good now, nice and clean. And this is the way it should be. All right, so now we're gonna clean out the inside, the cargo area. If you look at my latch down there, I had to break into the door because I pulled the cable out of the latch, so I couldn't even open the door anymore. I know I'm dumb. But anyways, I ended up having to cut the latch over here. I don't know what that's actually called, but whatever the latch connects to, I had to cut that steel so I could get the door open. But the door still works, you know, as long as it's shut, I don't even care. So it's time to get this organized, you know. It's been a minute. Alright, so go ahead, let's do this. There we go. Alright, y'all, so that's the video. We got the van cleaned up. It's looking really nice and clean and organized. We got our product back on the shelf, and I'm gonna keep up with it and make sure that I never let it get back messed up how it was. Holla.